Prosecutors delivered their closing arguments for more than 4 hours today in the sex trafficking trial of Sean Diddy Combs, trying to lay out their case for a guilty verdict. Lori Bordonaro spoke with a legal expert about whether the arguments worked.
A show of support in court for Sean Diddy Combs as his children and mother listened to the prosecution's closing argument. Prosecutors trying to prove the hip-hop mogul was the head of a criminal enterprise, but thought his fame, wealth, and power put him above the law. At one point, telling jurors Combs' employees were loyal lieutenants, protecting his brand and reputation, even fulfilling his sexual desires, and committing crimes including drugs, kidnapping, arson, bribery, and sex trafficking. The alleged crimes leading to a racketeering conspiracy charge, one of the 5 counts Combs is facing.
The question will be that even if the jurors have some uncertainty about whether the prosecution has proved racketeering, that the jurors will find Combs to be repugnant, and they're going to want to hold him accountable.
Cheryl Bader is an associate professor of law at Fordham University. She says she feels the prosecution has demonstrated Combs' alleged crimes are part of an orchestrated enterprise.
The prosecution has done a good job of trying to show how the employees had to facilitate setting up these hotel rooms for these sexual marathons.
Combs is also facing 2 counts of sex trafficking by force, fraud, or coercion, and 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution, using threats, drugs, lies, manipulation, and violence to make 2 former girlfriends, including Cassie Ventura, participate in so-called freak-offs or drug-fueled sexual encounters with male escorts. The defense maintaining the women participated willingly and at times seemingly excited.
Sean Diddy Combs has pleaded not guilty. The defense will give its closing argument Friday morning, then the government's rebuttal before deliberations can begin. Lori Bordonaro, CBS News, New York.